morning, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. I really hope you're having a great day so far. If you started school, I hope that's going well for you because adjusting to a new semester can be quite difficult. But anyway, today's video is just a productive day in my life, kind of a continuation almost of the last video, this video. Because when I filmed that video, I didn't have any of my syllabi posted yet, but now they have all posted the syllabi, so I have to go through those today and possibly get started on any assignments that I have to do before class, because sometimes it's like that where there are assignments that you have to do before the first day of class. So I'm gonna do those because I don't want to be behind on my class schedule before class even starts. Other than that, I don't have that much to do planned, just the usual. I think I'm gonna take some Instagram pictures, work out, you know, we'll just have to see what happens. I'm debating about whether I want to put on like foundation and stuff today. I kind of don't want to. So many other people's YouTube videos, they're always like, well, I tried out this new product. But literally, I've been doing the same makeup routine since like, I don't know, the past year and a half, maybe 2 years. This is literally just as I say every single time I do my makeup on camera. This is just my simple makeup routine. It's this routine if you want the detailed look at it. This is literally the best brush ever. Okay, makeup is done and I'm realizing that I really need to clean this mirror because it's super dusty, so put that on the to-do list. So here's my to-do list for the day. I always end up adding a ton more stuff on my to-do list as the day goes, but this is just what I have so far, so I've already like gotten ready, yay. Now let's do all the school stuff. So not gonna lie, but it's always at the beginning of a semester, it's always a little bit overwhelming. I'm sure you guys feel that same way, where it's just like you're getting all of this information at once and you're just like, where do I start? Where do I start? What do I do? How should I organize all my stuff? So that's kind of how I'm feeling today and how I've been feeling for the past like couple of days, because if you didn't know, I'm transferring, so I had my like new student orientation for the past 2 days and it was like super helpful, but it's just so much information to take in at once, and then I just have the regular school information too. So that's a lot. I'm also taking 6 classes. I know 6 sounds like a lot, but they're either 3 credits or 2 credits, so I'm taking 17 credits, not like 6 classes and they're 4 credits each, because that would be crazy. 24 credits, no thank you. Also, the follow-up to the last video, I'm still really loving Notion, which is this productivity website app. Now I know it's an app because I didn't even realize it was an app before. I'm clarifying that I didn't just do this all for the vlog or for the videos. I'm really liking it. Like, I'm on this website constantly because first of all, it's literally so pleasing to look at. Like, it makes me so happy. I think today I'm gonna really work on this school section of it so I can have all of my school stuff organized right here. Also, if you want this template, here is the template that I made, so you can just like insert whatever you want here. You can choose your own thing at the top. You can insert your own playlist. So I hope you enjoy the template, but let's get reading these syllabi. This first one is 12 pages long. So I downloaded Microsoft OneNote last night, which I'm gonna try out this semester to use as like my note-taking thing on my iPad and also on my computer, because I'm pretty sure that it syncs to the computer too, which is quite helpful because I was using Notability before and I really like Notability, except sometimes like when I would sync from my iPad or from my phone to the computer, it like would delete a bunch of the stuff, which obviously you don't want your stuff deleted. So I'm gonna try out OneNote. How do you take notes? I think I figured out how to use it. I'm gonna try to like import all of the syllabi into OneNote so I can like annotate and highlight stuff. See, what's so weird is I keep going back and forth between being like, I'm so excited to start, and then like 10 seconds later, I'm like, I want more winter break, but then the next 10 seconds, I'm just like, yay, learning. To be honest, I'm a little bit discombobulated at the moment. But you know what? That's okay. That's just a part of life. So if you're also feeling kind of then you are not alone. Also, I painted my nails last night and I used like 4 coats on accident because I kept like messing it up, so I just kept repainting it over and over and over again, and it's starting to like peel already. Yeah. So this is cool about OneNote. Look, it's Galaxy print. What? Why am I enjoying this so much? It's like using a PixArt brush on your like school notes. That's kind of fun. And it matches my journal too. See, look. Now we can bring back the Galaxy leggings. Just kidding. Let's never bring those back ever. So I finally finished with all my syllabus prep. I don't even know what you would call that, but it took a lot longer than expected. I always find that those things do. I don't know why. It's just how it is. And then I tried to do my hair in that Pinterest style, which I see literally all over Pinterest. And you know, it works, but it also doesn't. Like, I think it would work really well if your hair is longer, has more volume, and also isn't kind of layered. So it works, but it doesn't. Also, I did get ready for today because I'm going to take some Instagram pictures with my mom, just probably in some sort of random parking lot or something. But I really like this outfit. I picked it out last night because if I don't pick out my outfits the night before, it'll literally take me like an hour to pick, maybe not an hour, but like 15 minutes to pick out an outfit. So obviously I have this hairstyle and then these necklaces. This one's from ASOS, and then this is the Princess Polly one I always wear. This turtleneck is from Boohoo that I also always wear. The sweater vest is from ASOS. This thing is also from ASOS. Holding the ring light so you can actually see what the pants look like. But these wide-legged sort of flare high-waisted jeans, these are from Glissant. Then I just have my white Doc Martens that have coffee stains on them because I spill my coffee while walking all the time. But that's my outfit. Let's go take pictures. Computer back at the desk again. I got a little bit of a snack. It's just one of these like naked juice smoothies. These are really good. This one's like the mango flavor. I just put it in a separate glass. Now I'm just gonna edit a TikTok. I actually prefer to edit my TikToks on Final Cut Pro or even on iMovie, just kind of depending. You can do all the same stuff on iMovie. I just find it so much easier to not edit the clips in the TikTok app. It's just a lot easier. You can be a lot more precise with like where you cut each clip off if you edit it in like iMovie or Final Cut Pro or whatever else you use. Also, not editing it in the TikTok app, it goes by like probably 10 times faster. I also changed back into my sweatshirt and shorts because I love like getting dressed and all of that stuff and picking out outfits, but like when you're sitting at a desk for 4 hours, you don't really want to be wearing like 4 layers. You feel that. Okay, let's get editing. So now it's a bit later. The sun is still setting so early, but it is workout time. I'm trying to like force myself into like an exercise schedule because what was happening for a long time over winter break is some days I'd exercise at noon and some days I'd exercise at midnight. Literally, that's not gonna work for the school year. Now, not only am I planning out all my workouts on Notion for the week, I am also trying to work out at 5 p.m. every single day. Because having that routine just makes life a lot easier. So today I'm just gonna get on the treadmill and do some cardio. When I'm exercising on the treadmill, it can get like a little bit boring just to like walk. So when I'm on the treadmill, I always like update my playlists, and I think that's just a really good use of time. I don't know, also it's fun. So it's a lot later now. I had tacos for dinner, in case you were wondering. Very good, very, very, very good. But I'm gonna end the vlog here because I really am not gonna be doing anything the rest of the day other than reading my book until I get so tired that I can't keep my eyes open. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this productive day vlog. I'll have a lot more of these coming soon because school's starting super soon on the day I think that this video goes up. So yeah, but anyway, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below anything you want to. Subscribe to my channel, turn that notification bell on, follow me on Instagram and on TikTok, and I will see you next time. Bye!